Hello friends, in this video we will see how to analyze a particular institute publications from the Scopus database. If you open Scopus database and if you open a particular institute, whatever list of publications you are getting under that institute, that institute publications you can how to analyze that we will see in this video. So in the Scopus database you have the option affiliation. Here you have to type the institute name. Once you type the institute name, if you click on search, so you will be directed to another window where you will get institute related publications and other information. Here in my previous video I already shown in under a particular institute how many publications are there, so under what category they are, all those things. But in this presentation I will go the analysis part. If this institute has produced 7232 publications, then those 7232 publications are produced from which journals, how many are open access, how many are from other, in 2019 how many, 2020 how many papers are produced, in 2018 how many papers are produced, in 2019 how many are produced, year-wise statistics, as well as who produced more number of articles and in which area those articles are published, and those publications are of what type, articles or conference papers or book chapters or review, major number of publications came out from which journal. So all these things you can analyze from this. If you look at this window shows total number of publications 7232 from KL University. Here you can see out of these 7232 publications, in 2020 430 papers are published, in 2019 1911 are published, in 2018 1657 are produced. Like that, year-wise statistics you can see, as well as who are on the top, who published more number of articles, those others in the sequential order. Also you can see BTP Madhav, myself, having 271 publications, second to me Asadi, third to me JKR Sastri, fourth to me Dr. Khan. Like that you can see all the members, how many papers they produce from that institute, that you can see. And under engineering category how many papers are produced, under computer science how many are produced, that statistics also you can see. And those publications finally how many are published, and how many articles are in press, that means their issue number are not finalized and they are in the press and they may be published at any time. Those statistics also we can see. And not only that, out of these 7000 plus articles, 6142 are from the journal articles and 854 from the conference papers and 140 from the review articles, 49 from book chapters, like that. And in which in major journals that publish KL University papers also you can see. So JRDCS journal, IJET journal, like that, the journals produced how many papers, that also you can see. And with KL University affiliation, these many papers and some collaborative work is also done. That means a person from KL University and a person from Acharya Nagarjuna University published a paper. So with Acharya Nagarjuna University affiliation, how many papers are there? With JNTU, how many papers are there? With other institutes, how many papers, in how many papers the collaboration is there, that also we can see. Not only that, out of those papers how many papers got funding from sponsor agencies, that also you can see. From Department of Science and Technology, 158 papers has given acknowledgement for DST, and 96 papers given acknowledgement for SERB, 93 papers from Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, 43 papers acknowledged University Grants Commission. So like that. And country wise analysis also you can see. Whatever papers that are produced by KL University, of course all those papers are from India, and the other collaborators are from which country, that also you can see here. From Saudi Arabia the 62 articles are having affiliation, that means collaboration. From United States, 48 articles are there, and South Korea, that means whatever numbers I am showing, these numbers are having collaboration with KL University. And source type, how many journals, how many conference proceedings, all this information you can see here. So in this video you are able to understand if a particular institute published these many 7232 papers, out of that year wise how many are produced, author wise how many are produced, subject area wise how many are produced, so what is the stage of that particular paper, that means whether that is already published or in the article is in press. So data type, source titles, affiliation, as well as funding, how many papers got the funding, and country, affiliations and collaborations also you can see, and source type. So this is about the basic analysis regarding the papers that are produced by the institute. So right side to this particular analysis, here you can see the paper title, authors and year, and in which journal that was published and cited by how many times. So this is a separate analysis. Regarding this I will give the information in my next video.